quick ASMR break for everybody. I got choked. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to take an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 417KB. This is actually a brand new floor plan, and you guys, it might be one of my favorites. It is super nice. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get into it. Starting out on the outdoor entertainment side, you can see we have a ton going on over here. This thing is massive, so let's get started. We do have two awnings. You can see we have one on the back slide back here, and then one over here that does extend over that doorway. We also got some slide toppers. That's nice to keep those slides protected when you have some weather. Up top, you might be able to see that we do have 3 air conditionings on this unit. So if it's summertime like it is right now, you're gonna be nice and cool in there. We also got some frameless windows and indoor-outdoor speakers so you can listen to your music both inside and outside. And there's lots of storage, so let's check it out. In the very front of this Solitude, we have a massive pass-through storage space. You can see I'm sitting over kind of on the passenger side, and I have lots of room. I can easily sit in here. We have our road vac over here, a light over here, and over on this side we do have an LED strip. This is a nice place to put all of your outdoor stuff in because they have given you an easy to clean out floor. And you can see you also have a grip surface down here, so when you're going down the road, you don't have to worry about anything moving around down here. Over on your side, we do have our leveling system, and on the other one, we do have our convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's head inside. When you first walk in, over behind me, we do have the area for our control center. This is where you're going to control all your awnings, your lights, and your slides. It's super easy to use. You also have some other things in here as well. And then down below that, you have a place to throw all your bags in, your keys, or if you want to keep your umbrella right next to the door. And across from this, we actually do have a half bath, and it's super nice. So let's check it out. In here, we do have a step to flush toilet, and it is porcelain. Up above that, you have a couple of hooks. And right behind me, we have our sink with a ton of countertop space. You have an electrical outlet and 2 mirror front medicine cabinets. And we also do have some storage under here as well, which is super nice. Now, let's head into our living area. In our living space, we do have 3 couches. Over in one of our sides, we do have our first couch, super comfy. Moving over here, we do have our entertainment space, and we'll check out the other couches in just a second. We do have a massive TV up here. You've got a mantle. This is nice if it's Christmas time. You can throw a couple stockings in there. We do have this right here that controls our indoor-outdoor speaker system. You also got some storage on both sides of that. Down below, we do have our fireplace. It's gorgeous to just use as a light setting, or if you need it as a heat setting as well, it does work for that. We have another couch over here with some storage up top for extra blankets, different items. And then we do have our theater seats right across from the couch. You have a couple of buttons so it can recline, and you also have some USB ports here as well. Now, moving on into this area, we do have our dinette. Great place to eat dinner as a whole entire family, and you have a couple of windows right here so you can get those gorgeous views as well. But the best part to me is definitely the kitchen, so let's check it out. We have a little bit more storage over the couch in here that leads us into our kitchen area. You have a ton of cabinet space in here for all of your dishes and different things. Down below that, we have a nice amount of countertop space. If you want to have a buffet style dinner, you have plenty of room for that. We also have some great storage over here as well. This slides out, and you guys, look how far out this goes. This is great to put all of your items on, so you can slide that out and see what you have. And you can actually access this from the other side as well. So if you don't want to pull that all the way out and you just want to grab something quickly, you can open it right there. You have 3 drawers over here, and then moving this way, we do have more storage up top. You have your microwave and a very nice stove top right here with 4 burners. It is a gas stove. You have a very nice size oven, more countertop space over here. I think we do have some electrical outlets up here as well, even more cabinet space. I like this little open area right here so you can throw some spices or different things if you need some stuff over by your sink. You do have some more storage up here, and check out this sink, you guys. We've been seeing these in some of our units. It's just a kind of an upgraded sink area. You do have this waterfall spout over here, a soap dispenser, glass cleaner, and they've given you a cutting board and different things. We have some more storage under here. They've even given you a nice little trash can so you don't have to purchase that. Moving on to my favorite part, which is the fridge. You guys, this thing is so nice. It opens on both sides. You have plenty of space for your groceries, and you do have 2 freezer drawers as well. So if you need some frozen foods and then you want to put all your dessert foods in the bottom one, definitely works for that. You have a drawer on this side, and then this is your dog bowl. So if you are bringing your dog or your cat with you to the campground, they have a place to eat dinner as well. And I know you're thinking, I already have so much storage, but I might need a little more. Well, here you go. We do have this super nice pantry in here. I know you guys saw that light come on when I opened the door. It's kind of an L-shaped pantry. You have pretty full-size shelves in there, so you can definitely put some cereal. You also have some drawers, and you even have an electrical outlet, so if you want to make this your little coffee area and close that up, you can do that. Heading to the front, we do have our private bedroom. In here, you do have a king-size bed. We have a couple of windows back here, so you're going to be able to see those gorgeous views. On both sides, you do have charging stations with electrical outlets and USB ports. You also have some built-in shelving on both sides, so you can easily set a glass of water on, maybe your reading glasses or a book, and that is actually built into your slide, which is a nice little touch. And we have a lot of storage in here, so let's switch views and check it out. On the other side of the bedroom, we have tons of storage space. In the center, we have our TV, and on both sides, we have mirror front cabinets right here for all of your extra items. Down below that, we actually have some secret compartments on both sides. The top does slide out, so you have a place for all of your valuables, maybe some nice jewelry. And then down below that, you do have 4 drawers on both sides for all your socks, underwear, and extra clothing items. You also have an electrical outlet right here and right here, as well as another secret compartment. This centerpiece does open up, so if you have some other items you want to throw in there, you do have a place for that. Now, let's move into the bathroom. In the very front of our Solitude, we have a gorgeous bathroom. You can see we have a massive mirror over here. We have plenty of countertop space. You do have an electrical outlet, so you can easily style your hair right here. We do have some storage underneath. You have a couple of drawers for your toiletries, and these do open up, so you have some space for your toilet paper and other items as well. On the other side, we have our step to flush toilet. It is a porcelain toilet. You have some storage back behind there with a couple of hooks up here for your towels as well. Moving over to our shower, this is honestly a very nice size shower. You have a good amount of head height as well. We have a skylight in here, a nice little wooden seat on this side, and on this side you have not 1, not 2, but 3 different shower heads, and you also do have a detachable one as well. You have some built-in shelves for your shampoo and conditioner, and we're not even done. Let's check out our closet space. One of our closets is super large with a couple of shelves in here that are removable. You also do have a hanging bar in here if you want to use it as a regular closet, or if you want to use it as a washer dryer space. It is washer dryer prepped. Over beside that, we do have even more space. This is a great area to hang up all of your clothes, put your bags in here, and you do have a place for your shoes behind it as well. And we're not even done. We also do have a couple of cabinets right here to fold up all of your towels and different items in, and you do have an open space up here as well. So if you like this, or you like any of our other campers in our Solitude line, make sure you give us a call, a text, or visit us online at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.